Mexican Americans don't like to just get into gang fights. They like flowers and music and white girls named Debbie too. Mexican Americans are named Chata and Chela and Chema and have a son-in-law named Jeff. Mexican Americans don't like to get up early in the morning, but they have to, so they do it real slow. Mexican Americans love education, so they go to night school and they take Spanish and get a B.
No verás que te voy a dejar, que te voy a dejar y que no volveré. Ya no verás que esta vida fatal que me has hecho ir sin un poco de amor.
That sauce looks so rich, delicious.
Oh yeah, just the side.
The sides. I didn't know it was hot.
Okay. Échamela para acá. Tortilla.
I left one corner crispy so you could touch it.
It's like the color of like bricks.
I like this part. Passing this chicken.
This one's kind of hurting. Ah!
Oi!
Opa!
Opa!
I'm sorry, did you burn yourself?
A little. Just a little bit.
How do you do it?
Just like that. No, I burn myself every time. It's part of it.
It's part of the
Adventure.
process. You gotta bring it up. Look at that cheese. Look at that cheese.
Yeah, actually, can you stand like this? That way. Oh,
Is my kitchen not very good for this?
it's perfect for it.
It's the perfect thing to do.
Cabrón, es caliente.
I don't know how much
It's just a wild little dish.
how much something that like that.
Oh yeah.
Careful behind you. Want to put it up behind one?
Okay, oh,
Is this the boleros?
Yeah. Los cuatro grandes.
Si te interesa esta propuesta de cariño, decide ahora porque ya no.
We had a bigger one. Is that big enough?
There's another one there. That one's hella.
It's like
Tienes que querer sin mirar los trapos.
How did you make the sauce?
with dried chile. And boil the chiles for a while. And yeah, just boil them and then strain the water and then blend it with a little bit of water.
And that made a thick sauce of that?
I don't have grandma's hands.
Not yet. Me faltan los callos.
Could I get a little bit more water? Cuidado con esto.
Like that?
Do you want me to stir it?
That's good. Sure, yeah.
Later.
Esta noche me tuvo para que nunca se vaya de mí, para que nunca amanezca.
So how many more tortillas?
I think like con estos, yeah, there's not that much cheese left.
I'm gonna fry a tortilla for me. So these are from where?
Zacatecas, Luis Moya, Zacatecas.
Oh, check it out. Guys, this is my mom's neighbor.
What? Where? In Bogota?
They used to live in the same neighborhood. My mom hates her music, but she wanted to get the record anyway. Claudia de Colombia.
Cool.
It doesn't get thick until you heat it up a little bit in the olla.
Then it gets thick?
Then it gets real thick, yeah. Like a mole.
Okay.
So it's like fried salsa.
So you don't have to add anything to it?
Wait, what happened?
No?
He was telling me about how he made the sauce. The enchilada sauce. And it doesn't get thick. Because that's just blended peppers.
Yeah.
But it doesn't get thick until it's heated up in the olla.
Until you do that.
It's different than this though, right? This is just the water.
You boil it, so you boil everything, and then you get rid of the water and just the dry stuff.
Yeah.
You blend
it. So there's no water, just a little bit, like a tiny little bit.
I like how dark it is.
No, it's like vodka.
Jesus Christ, that looks so good.
Enchiladas.
¿Qué clase de queso?
Careful.
Oh, we could get maybe since we're like so far away, you could give us his recipe. Felix?
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So they're finished?
Yeah?
They're ready to eat?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't make them?
No.